This video chart presentation of Columbian Mines Corp brought to you by allpenny.stocks.com. Columbian Mines trades in the Toronto Venture Exchange under ticker CMJ. A little bit of a down day yesterday. See, it came out on Monday with a huge volume day. Closed up more than 10%. We're starting to see some things like in the MACD. They're indicating this might have found a true bottom. Might be trying to trend upward from here. See the MACD itself making a little bit of a higher low. Histogram making a higher low. Bullish cross just recently happened. See, last time from these levels, formed itself a nice base, made a strong move, and you can see that all started with a move, a pullback, and then another move. So here we'll keep that similar mentality. A move, might be looking for a pullback, and then another climb. PPO actually dipped and made a lower low, but just now demonstrating a bullish cross. ADX is in a pretty nice reversal position with positive DI starting to curl upward. MFIs with a strong break through 50, that's certainly something that you want to see. Any pullbacks hold the upper half of that indicator. Accumulation distribution just catapulted upward. A lot of buying came into this play. You can see beforehand, there's some subtle hints that it might make a move. Jake and money flow showing that selling pressure was definitely subsiding. Buying pressure was coming into the play. Still a great look right now to the CCI. Nice upward trend, breaking through negative 100. Of course, now at this point, we look for it to push through zero. Kind of a key component for it, an overall reversal. Full stow showing momentum was coming into the play, came out of oversold. Again, we're going to look for it to get to the upper half of that indicator. But just as importantly, even if it pulls back a little bit, continue the upward trend and then try and make your move. TRIX is a lagging indicator. When the stock took that big fall, it just makes its turns a lot slower. So not really getting a lot from that at this point, other than the fact that you can see it is trying to curl at this point. Sharp move from the RSIs, but of course this stock came screaming off the bottom from here on 25 cents, almost added a dime per share. Really got some momentum coming into it pretty quickly. As I mentioned with the MACD, see, made a move, pulled back, continue that upward trend. That's what you want to see. You can see how the momentum stayed in this play, and I look for a similar sort of thing right now. Even if it wants to pull back, make some higher lows, continue the upward trend. So the indicators are looking pretty strong for this, but it is going to come down to the candles, of course. I'd want to see it hold 30 cents. Could drop all the way back down here to 28. But 30, I'd like to see as holding as a new support level. It was a little bit of resistance. Of course, there is a bottom support down there around a quarter. Let's keep an eye on it for 30 cents to hold, establish a new higher low. Last time it did pull all the way back to a bottom support level. That could happen again. But the chart will be much stronger if it can hold a higher low. Resistance, pretty definitive right there at 35 cents. First key area for it to push through. Of course, that's the 20-day moving average as well. That's the middle Bollinger Band. Important for charts to get trading over top of that to show some real strength. Then some more is going to come in here around 38 cents. It's going to be a little staggered. Next real significant area is going to be up here around 43, 44 cents. 50-day moving average is there. Of course, that's dynamic. It's going to continue downward. Wherever the intersection happens to be, with the candles coming up in relation to a static resistance level, it's going to increase that resistance level, even though it's secondary at this point. If it continues downward and they meet somewhere around 38 cents, it's going to increase the resistance at that point. Just something to pay attention to. But in the grander scheme of things, as that trickles down, watch for the resistance levels. But a pretty nice chart right now is technical stock to watch this week. Already made a nice move. I'll just watch for the gains to hold and for the chart to play itself out. As always, it's merely my interpretation of the CMJ chart. I'm not a financial consultant. Strongly encourage you to do your own proper due diligence and consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. Please visit the allpennystocks.com website to view the full disclaimer disclosure and do not base any investment decisions on any material found on the website and/or this video chart. No person employed by All Penny Stocks is a registered investment advisor or licensed broker-dealer. Thanks for watching. Trade smart.